In this video, I'll show you a website that will pay you to share content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Yes, you don't have to create the content yourself. All you have to do is take content by other successful creators and share it on these platforms and get paid. This method is called clipping, and it's one of the best methods to make money online passively because you are not creating content, you are just resharing content. The website is called Whop. It's a marketplace just like Amazon, only that it focuses on digital products only. There are so many ways to make money on this website, but on today's video, I'll share with you how you can make money through clipping, which is sharing other people's content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. To do that, you need to go to whoop.com and create an account. You can either go to Google and type whoop.com, or you can click the link in the description and it will take you direct to the website. When there, you're going to create an account. You only need your email address. Then navigate to the content reward section. Here you'll find different content reward projects by different creators. So you are going to choose the ones that works for you. So as you can see on this dashboard, there are so many creators here who have posted content rewards. So for instance, we have this guy called Iman. Iman is in the make money niche, so he has the Imani make money online challenge. This guy has a budget of $15,000, but he has already paid out $4,778, which is 32%. The campaign allows you to post on Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. We also have another guy here, so you can see he's paying $5 per every 1K. Then we have Jason Wonjo Clips. Jason is paying $2 per every 1K views. He has a budget of 5,400 and he has already paid out $35.91. Moving on, you can keep on checking. There are so many campaigns here. There are endless campaigns. You cannot finish all these campaigns. So we have even the iced coffee hour. These are podcasts. So okay, this campaign is 100% done. So this one is no longer working, but there are others here like there's also this one by Louis Carter, organic. For the trading guys or people in the forex niche, there's this trading gig. I believe if you have ever tried forex, maybe you know who is the trading gig. So this guy is paying $1 per 1K views, and he has a huge budget of $10K, and he has paid 2.2. So the campaign is still far from over because it's at 22%. So you have to keep on checking. So now after going through all this campaign, then we have this music campaign. Also this one has completed, but it was a campaign by YNG Mataya. I guess you know this guy. He had this campaign. This is where such a campaign you are supposed to share their music, and so on and so forth. So you have to come here and keep on checking, find campaigns that aligns with what you like, or campaigns that you can make go viral. So for instance, there's this campaign by Autopilot. It's paying $4 per every 1K views, and you can share it on TikTok, Instagram, X, and YouTube. As you can see, they have a budget of 15K, 322, but they have already paid out 11,206. So that's 73%. So on this campaign, you're supposed to share content about the Autopilot app, which is, I think, a trading app. And so they make money when you share this content and people know about the app. That's how they make money, because people will download the app and also trade on it, and you make money by the views you get. So for every 1K views you get paid $4. Each campaign has their own rules, so it is important you follow the rules laid for the campaign, and also watch the tutorials on how to gain more views, etc. Also, don't forget that you're supposed to submit a link to this website within the first 1 hour of posting the video on the preferred social media for you to get paid. Because if you make a mistake and not submit that link, they will not pay you. Okay, also for this autopilot clips, there are rules like you're supposed to have 50%. The audience 50% need to be from the US. They'll show you exactly how to get audience in the US, and you're supposed to submit a screenshot of your audience dashboard on TikTok and Instagram every 48 hours. So make sure that you're following these rules so that you can get paid. So with clipping, they'll be giving you long form videos, like maybe a podcast where somebody is talking about the campaign, and you'll take the video, clip it into small sections, or maybe for instance it will be a 10 minutes video or a 5-minute video, and you can make small videos like 20-second videos, and then you can post them on TikTok. So here you'll be using apps like CapCut, where you can just add transitions, you can add overlays. You just need to make this content original so that it's not flagged by TikTok. So by just making small edits that you can do within 5 minutes, then you post this thing, the content on TikTok, and you get paid per the views you get. So if you are lucky, you get 20k views. Whether you get lucky, you get 100k views, you'll get paid by the views you get. So it's not hard. You'll just take the long form video they have given you, clip it into small sections. Clipping, I mean, you're going to cut it into small sections. You'll just need to cut in sections that are appealing, or if it's a fun, for example, if it's a funny guy, so you'll just cut the funniest part of the video and then post them on TikTok, and that's how you make money through clipping. So guys, please go to this website, register and start making money. I'll be making more videos about how to make money on this website, because there are so many ways you can make money here.